Video.
A video. Are we starting?
Yeah. Gaydar, Gaydar. Huh?
Chocolate mousse cup. Look at that.
That does look really good. Or black currant mousse cake. Or jello. Tiramisu. Something I can't eat. We should get that again.
That was pretty good.
That was pretty good. What else did we get? That looks
really good.
I just kind of want some fruit, I think.